Hello, welcome to another episode of Cynthia's Artful Living. And today I want to show you the project that I created a couple of days ago and show you how I created it in just a minute. Here it is. It is a spring wreath collage. And I want to show you a little technique that I learned a few years back from Randall Plowman in a one-year-long course on collage on how to easily put together a collage without getting glue all over yourself and without having to take your components apart, put them back together, and then kind of go crazy because you couldn't remember what you did or you couldn't really recreate it exactly the way you laid it out the first time. So I want to show you how I created this little spring wreath with my bird stencils from Stencil Girl Products. So let's get started. The first step is to prepare the substrate. Here I'm using a piece of cardboard, and after applying a layer of gesso, I painted it with a variety of blues. While it dries, I clean my gel plate palette to create more collage papers. To create the heat-fusible glue, I'm applying gel medium to both the front of the substrate and to the back of all of the collage papers I plan to use. After they are dry, I create my collage elements. Here I use a stencil and a rubbing technique to quickly trace an outline on the back of the papers, and then I cut them out. I decided I wanted to add a little bit of detail to these, so I used a Sharpie marker to do that. Finally, it's time to create the collage. I love using this pre-pasted gel medium technique because I don't have to photograph the final layout before I take everything off, apply wet glue, and then hope I get it right in recreating my design. It's a lot less messy too, and once you're happy with the layout, all you have to do is heat it with an iron. However, before you do that, a protective nonstick sheet gets placed between the collage and the iron. The backing from a sheet of mailing labels is the best material to use, placing the shiny side down onto the collage and then fusing it in place. The other side will get stuck to the collage since we put gel medium on the front of the substrate. So that's how you easily create a collage using gel medium, a mailing label backing, and an iron. Be sure to check out the links in the show notes, and if you learned something new in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.